Hello, future financial champions. Today, I have something truly exciting to share with you. If you've ever dreamed of mastering the financial markets, making informed trading decisions, and unlocking a future filled with potential and prosperity, then the Hedge Trade Super Financial Trader 9-month trading bootcamp is exactly what you've been waiting for. Who are we? Hedge Trade, with over 25 years of experience, has been at the forefront of financial technology. Founded in 1996, we've dedicated ourselves to perfecting a software as a service SaaS platform that's nothing short of revolutionary. We utilize advanced neural networks and artificial intelligence to manage over 1,775,000 strategies across all financial markets. That's right, our systems process thousands of indicators to predict and forecast market movements, providing you with unparalleled insights and trading rules. What will you learn? In this 9-month journey, you'll dive deep into both the art and science of trading. Here is just a taste of what you'll learn. Technical analysis mastery. From understanding bullish and bearish strategies to mastering swing trading, we cover every chart pattern and indicator you can think of. You'll learn about moving averages, moving average convergence, divergence, MACD strategies, Bollinger Band strategies, Fibonacci retracement strategies, Fibonacci extension strategies, and Fibonacci bend strategies, parabolic SAR stop and reverse strategies, Elliott wave strategies, Williams percent R strategies, and much more. Fundamental analysis skills. Get ready to dig into corporate governance, financial risk assessments, market sentiment, and other critical analyses that will make you not just a trader, but a savvy financial expert. Risk management. We teach you how to protect your capital with a solid risk management plan, including stop loss orders, position sizing, and diversification strategies. Stock option trading. Understanding options. First, we'll cover the basics of what options are, including calls and puts, and how they can be used to gain leverage in the market without the need for large amounts of capital upfront. Strategies for every market condition. Learn to implement strategies that work in different market scenarios, including bullish, bearish, and sideways markets. Techniques such as buying calls and puts, selling covered calls, and protective puts will be extensively covered. Pricing and valuation. Graph the complex variables that affect option pricing, such as the underlying stock's price, strike price, volatility, time to expiration, and the risk-free rate. We'll teach you to use models like Black-Scholes for pricing options and gauging their fair value. Risk management. Options can offer higher returns but also come with increased risks. You'll learn how to manage these risks effectively using strategies like spreads, straddles, and collars to protect your investments. Real-world applications. Engage in hands-on sessions where you'll apply what you've learned in simulated trading environments. This practical experience is crucial for building confidence and understanding the nuances of option trading. Binary option trading. Basics of binary options. Discover what binary options are and how they differ from other trading forms. You'll learn about the all-or-nothing payout structure and how to trade them effectively. Market analysis techniques. For successful binary options trading, you must perform rigorous market analysis. Learn to read and interpret charts and indicators that will guide your trading decisions. Risk and reward. Understand the fixed risk associated with binary options, where you know exactly how much you stand to win or lose before you enter the trade. This can be a powerful tool for managing financial exposure. Trading platforms and tools. Familiarize yourself with the specific platforms and tools used for binary options trading. We ensure you understand the functionalities and features that can help you make timely and informed decisions. Ethical trading practices. Since binary options are often scrutinized, knowing how to trade them ethically and legally is crucial. Our program emphasizes transparent and fair trading practices, ensuring you remain compliant with financial regulations. Scenario-based learning. Participate in scenario-based exercises that mimic real trading situations. These scenarios help reinforce your learning and prepare you for actual trading conditions. Advanced tactics. Beyond the basics, we explore advanced tactics in binary options, such as using news events and economic releases to predict market movements. This involves understanding market sentiment and how it can affect the binary options market. Why choose Hedge Trade? Experience. We bring over a quarter century of expertise to your learning journey. Technology. Our AI-driven platform is designed to spot opportunities that would be impossible to identify otherwise. Support. With Hedge Trade, you're never alone. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way. Now, let's dive into what this bootcamp covers and how it will benefit you. Advanced Trading Strategies. You'll learn over 1,500 strategies covering all financial markets, from bullish to bearish strategies, swing trading to breakout tactics to master them all. Artificial intelligence and neural networks. Our advanced AI systems will teach you how to analyze market data, recognize complex patterns, and predict market movements. This isn't just about trading, it's about becoming a smart trader who makes data-driven decisions. Comprehensive risk management. Understand the importance of position sizing, setting stop losses, and calculating profit targets. Our program teaches you how to safeguard your investments while maximizing your returns. Multi-asset trading. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or commodities, you'll learn how to navigate multiple asset classes. Our managed cloud service allows seamless integration of diverse portfolios, ensuring you get a real-world experience. Fundamental analysis. From evaluating corporate governance to understanding market cycles and investor psychology, our bootcamp covers every aspect of fundamental analysis. This means you're not just trading, you're investing with an informed edge. Global market exposure. With us, you learn to think globally. The financial markets are interconnected, and our training covers various currencies, international markets, and global trading strategies. This broad perspective ensures that you are well prepared to trade anywhere, anytime. Practical, real-world application. Throughout the bootcamp, you'll engage in live trading sessions where you can apply what you've learned in real time. This practical experience is invaluable and will give you the confidence to make decisions and execute trades effectively. Customizable learning experience. Everyone learns differently, and our bootcamp respects that. Customize your learning path with electives and specialized courses that match your specific interests and career goals in trading. Whether you are more interested in technical analysis, derivatives, commodities, or equities, we have you covered. Answers to your most pressing questions. Throughout the bootcamp, all your financial questions will be addressed. From creating a budget that accelerates wealth accumulation to understanding the best investment strategies for long-term growth, and even mastering the art of using real estate for wealth building. Every lesson is an opportunity to gain practical answers to real-world questions. Advanced analytics and market data solutions. In today's data-driven trading environment, having access to the right information at the right time is crucial. Our bootcamp provides you with advanced tools for analytics and market data that are essential for high-level trading. Learn how to interpret market data, apply analytical tools, and make informed decisions based on real-time global market feeds. Regulatory compliance and ethical trading. Understanding the legal and ethical framework of trading is as important as trading itself. Our program covers essential aspects of trade surveillance, risk management, and compliance with regulations. This knowledge ensures you not only trade effectively but also responsibly, maintaining integrity and trust in your professional trading career. Simulation and backtesting. Before you apply your strategies in the real world, you'll test them in simulated environments that mirror real market conditions. This backtesting is critical to refining your strategies and ensuring they stand up to the complexities of the market. Learn the importance of historical data analysis and how it can predict future market behaviors. Personalized mentorship. Every trader needs guidance, and our seasoned professionals are here to provide one-on-one mentorship. Receive personalized feedback on your trading strategies and decision-making processes, helping you to hone your skills more effectively. Our mentors are committed to your success and will help you navigate through your learning journey, financial independence, and wealth building. Ultimately, the goal of trading isn't just about making profitable trades, it's about building lasting wealth. Our bootcamp teaches you the comprehensive skills needed to achieve financial independence, from smart diversification strategies to understanding the psychology of trading and wealth accumulation. You will learn to secure your financial future. Innovative trading technologies. Embrace the future of trading with insights into blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and other innovative financial technologies. Our curriculum stays ahead of market trends, preparing you to trade across various platforms and technologies. Innovation is key to staying relevant in the financial markets, and our program ensures you are always at the cutting edge. Real-world challenges and competitions. Engage in trading competitions and challenges designed to put your skills to the test against other traders in a competitive yet supportive environment. These challenges are not only thrilling but also incredibly rewarding, providing real-world experience and the chance to win prizes and recognition. Global community of traders. Become part of a vibrant, global community of traders. Exchange ideas, strategies, and insights with peers from around the world. This network will be invaluable as you expand your trading activities internationally and seek global opportunities. Confidence to succeed. Perhaps the most important outcome of our bootcamp is the confidence it instills. With the knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience you gain, you approach the trading world with confidence, ready to tackle and capitalize on opportunities as they arise. Advanced portfolio management. Diversification techniques. Learn the art of diversifying your trading portfolio to spread risk across various asset types, including stocks, options, futures, and forex. This essential skill helps mitigate risk and capitalize on different market conditions. Asset allocation and rebalancing. Understand how to allocate assets strategically and how to rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain the desired level of risk and return. This is critical for long-term investment success. Performance measurement. Gain expertise in evaluating your trading performance using metrics such as Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, and alpha. Knowing how to measure your performance accurately helps refine strategies and optimize returns. Algorithmic trading. Automated trading systems. Delve into the world of algorithmic trading, where trades are executed at high speeds using automated strategies based on preset parameters. This is increasingly becoming a standard tool among professional traders. Programming and software. Learn the basics of programming languages such as Python, which are commonly used to develop trading algorithms. Even if you're not a programmer, understanding the logic and capabilities can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Backtesting strategies. Before deploying them, you'll learn to backtest trading algorithms to ensure their effectiveness over historical data. This reduces the risk of deploying unprofitable strategies. Forex and commodities trading. Global currency markets. Explore the largest financial market in the world, the Forex market. Understand currency pairs, pips, and leverage, and how to profit from Forex trading by taking advantage of global economic fluctuations. Commodities as diverse investments. Learn to trade various commodities such as oil, gold, and agricultural products. Commodities trading can serve as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Advanced market analysis techniques. Technical analysis deep dive. Beyond basic charts and patterns, learn sophisticated technical analysis techniques including Elliott wave theory, Fibonacci retracements, and advanced candlestick patterns. Fundamental analysis for all markets. Whether it's evaluating the financial health of a company or the economic conditions of a country, you'll master the art of using fundamental analysis to guide your trading decisions. Soft skills in trading psychology. 46. Emotional discipline. Trading can be stressful. Learn how to maintain emotional control to make objective decisions, avoiding common psychological traps such as fear and greed. Decision making under uncertainty. Develop skills to make sound decisions even under the pressure of uncertainty. This includes scenario analysis and probabilistic thinking. In conclusion, the Hedge Trade and Super Financial Trader 9-month trading bootcamp is more than just a program. It's a gateway to a successful and fulfilling career in trading. With our comprehensive curriculum, expert instructors, and a commitment to your personal and professional growth, you are setting yourself up for unmatched success in the financial markets. Don't wait to take control of your future. Call Hedge Trade now and start your journey to becoming a super financial trader. Let's make your financial dreams a reality. Join us and be empowered to reach beyond your limits. It's your time to shine in the world of trading. Now, imagine yourself 9 months from now, not just as someone who understands the markets, but as someone who influences them. Picture yourself confidently navigating complex trades, leveraging advanced tools, and making decisions based on cutting-edge analysis and forecasts. Don't let another day go by wishing you could be part of the financial markets. Take action. Enroll in the Hedge Trade and Super Financial Trader 9-month trading bootcamp. It's more than an education. It's a transformation into the trader you aspire to be. Thank you for considering Hedge Trade as your gateway to financial mastery. We look forward to welcoming you aboard and watching you succeed. Let's make it happen together.